How to install and fluff the Christmas tree. Unfold the base and insert screws to fix it. Do not fully tighten screws until the bottom section of the tree be inserted into the base. Each rod has a plastic cap on the end for protection during shipping. Please remove them before installing. Please manually spread branches out if they do not fall down automatically. Connect all the wire to check lights before fluffing the tree. Don't hesitate to contact our customer service if the lights are not on. Choose a branch from the bottom layer to begin with to fluff the tree. The recommended fluffing order is from bottom to the top layer by layer. The suggested angle is about 90 degrees to the pole. And for fluffing leaves and needles, the recommended order is from the inner to the outer. Leaves on the outer layer can be bent to form various shapes according to your preference. Shapes of stars and flowers are the most common choice. Adjust gaps between each layer and each section. Bend leaves near the gap to cover it. Continue until each and every branch looks as full as you like. Remember to fold the branches of the same layer into a uniform angle. Find the tree top and bend it upwards. Notice, it's normal that few leaves may fall off in the process of transportation and installation.